Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing the binding method that fits the book's purpose, durability versus flexibility. Lay pages in order and align the spine edge precisely. Use a square and tap until edges register. Clamp the stack with even pressure so pages can't shift. If you're gluing, roughen the spine with a bone folder or coarse sandpaper to help adhesion. If you're stitching, mark hole positions now, roughly 1/2. Once the pages are clamped and marked, follow the technique you chose. For stitch binding, punch through all signatures at once, then sew using a consistent tension. Pull neither too tight nor too loose so the spine can flex. For glue binding, apply a thin coat of PVA, let it soak 10-15 minutes, then add a second coat. Brush into the spine's gaps for penetration. Trim the foredge or top to clean up misalignments, making cuts in slow, controlled strokes. After trimming, attach your cover carefully. Spread adhesive on the spine and hinge areas, position the cover, and press the whole book flat under a heavy weight or in a book press for 4-12 hours. Once dry, sand the spine lightly to remove irregularities and add in papers to conceal and reinforce the joint. If pages shift or the glue doesn't hold, reopen the clamp. Clean off excess adhesive, reapply PVA or resew the affected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.